So if you guys didn't already know, we are staying at the Boardwalk for the next 4 nights and we are so excited. We stayed here back in 2019 club level for Christmas time. We had so much fun. We've been dying to do this again soon. What better time than summer? Eric has no school. I think a bug just flew in my eye. We're gonna go to the lounge, grab some food, grab some drinks. This is a cotton candy mimosa, so it's cotton candy, lemonade, and champagne. Beautiful. Boardwalk view. It doesn't get better than this. Like, it's just so perfect. So let's get the day rolling. Passing the big main pool with the slide. It's just more crowded than the other pools, and sometimes we like the other pools better just because they're quiet. They're not playing music. At the pool, actually like a really relaxing pool day. This hotel has 3 different pools, which is amazing. All 3 have hot tubs, even more amazing. I do have to say that they are probably, in my opinion, the smallest hot tubs on Disney property. So this is one of the hot tubs, but they're basically all the same size. Just looks like a fire pit. Like, they're small. You could fit like maybe like 6 people comfortably. These are my cousins from Ireland. This is Kelsey and this is Lily May. We are currently walking over to the main pool. We came from the quiet pool. We're gonna try and go on the slides. Their first time in Disney. How are you guys liking it so far?
It's so fun.
They went to Magic Kingdom for the first time yesterday.
My favorite was the Tron and the fireworks.
Good choice. Uh-oh. How do we get around? There goes Kelsey! Oh, she's going fast. Oh, she went on.
Alright, you're the last one to touch it when the music ended.
How was the slide?
It was so fun.
What are your thoughts?
It was really good. It was really fast. I was expecting it to go slower.
You came down so fast. You came down slow. You came down really fast.
I came out flying.
That was so fast.
Yeah.
Alright, we got all the snacks, all the goodies. We're gonna send them off on their way. Back to Ireland. So here at the Boardwalk Club level, there are 3 rotations for breakfast, dinner, lunchtime is the same as snacks. We are here 4 nights, so we're gonna get a repeat of first night. I'm really excited to see what they have because they're always changing their club level menus and what they're offering. Super excited to see what we're gonna be getting on this trip. When I booked this room, we were able to get 30% off. We got a free water park on the day of check-in. We were able to pick between Typhoon Lagoon or Blizzard Beach. We picked Blizzard Beach. We've never been there before. Only been to Typhoon Lagoon. I will insert a picture here of how much a single water park ticket is. I think honestly this is the best time to do this deal. Free water park, the 30% off. You really don't have to spend that much extra money. There is so much food here and alcohol is included for my friends that are 21 and over. The weakest launch we've ever had. So bad. How underwhelming is that? Okay, so this is dinner time, which is hors d'oeuvres and night 2. They have this every single night, just a little bit of bread, some pickled vegetables, which are really good. These are butter balls. This is here every night. Main things, chicken tenders, of course. Disney has the best chicken tenders. They're Boardwalk meatball sliders. The bread is pre-cut, so you could just add your little meatballs to that and some cheese to top it off. We have some mac and cheese goalies, mushroom fried rice. I didn't try that. Don't know if I'm gonna. Now this. I have no idea what polenta is, but I tried it. It is delicious. So good. It's one little tiny piece of shrimp in that thing. So good. Everyone say hi. We're doing some construction while the Outside Steakhouse has their closed. Mom, is this where the kitchen went on fire and you had to leave? No, that's the Allen campus. Oh, good. They're recommending you go there. Huh. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Are you two? Bag. They have a little things in the bag. What are you getting?
Egg, coconut, macaroon, and something.
Nice. Yum. These were chocolate chip the other day. She likes caramel, I like brown sugar, we just don't know which is which, so I'm gonna give both a taste. Let me see. This one? Okay, perfect. Cheers.